This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by doing the fastest, most effective checks so you don't waste time. First, make sure the volume keys and on-screen sliders are up and not muted. Many problems are just low volume. Next, open Settings and pick the correct output device, because Chrome OS can switch to HDMI or Bluetooth automatically. Once done, unplug any headsets and do a full reboot. This restarts the audio subsystem and often restores sound immediately. Now you dig into configuration and software causes. Open Sound Settings and scan per app volumes. Some apps have independent sliders, so lower app volume can mimic silence. Then remove Bluetooth audio devices and repair them to clear stale profiles. Bluetooth frequently holds an inactive route. Also disable any browser extensions or Android/Linux apps that access audio. To confirm a profile problem, log into guest mode. If sound returns there, your user profile or an extension is the likely culprit. Finish with system-level fixes and a clear fallback. First, update Chrome OS and reboot. Driver and firmware fixes are delivered via updates. If you still have no sound, test output through USB or HDMI. If external audio works, the internal speaker or cable is likely faulty. As a last step, back up your data and perform a power wash. This removes software causes. If problems persist after power wash, the troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.